Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can manage all your Peakboard devices in Peakboard Hub. We are here in the Peakboard Hub in the Peakboard box overview. If you want to manage your boxes here, you should start by adding a Peakboard box. For this you can use this button here on the top, but before we go to the Peakboard designer. Here I click on the Peakboard box icon on the top and select my Peakboard box, which is already added to my Peakboard designer. Here I now can connect my Peakboard box to the Peakboard Hub online. If I use the Peakboard Hub on-prem, I could just use the IP address or the host name of my Peakboard box. I copy here this cloud key and go back to the Peakboard Hub. Now I can click here on the top right on Add Peakboard Box to add my Peakboard box. Here I enter my cloud key, or as I said in the Peakboard on-prem, I just enter my IP address or my host name and my username and password on the Peakboard box. It's important to know that you cannot use your Windows user, the PBadmin user, to connect to Peakboard Hub. As you see, I have now here my new Peakboard box. In this overview I can search my Peakboard boxes on the top by entering their name. I can select how I want to show the Peakboard boxes, as list, tiles or large tiles. And as mentioned, I can add new Peakboard boxes. Also, I'm able to group my Peakboard boxes in different groups. For this, I can just click here and set the group of this Peakboard box. Also, I have the possibilities here to have a quick overview of the status and user and stuff. And I can directly run global functions here in this overview. You will see this in a later video. Now let's click on the Peakboard box to get into the details page. Here we have the possibility to go to System, and here we are able to do all our device settings, like setting the host name, setting the LAN connection, the network connection, updating the box and stuff like this. Also here on the bottom left you have the possibility to change your license. Set on the Peakboard box you can manage your users and roles. You'll see all the log files coming up on your Peakboard box, which you can filter and see here. And also you can install certificate files on your Peakboard box. Let's go back once to the Peakboard box overview. Here you have also the possibility to manage the whole Peakboard box group by clicking here on this settings icon on the top right. In this case you can, for example, change the name of the group, and also you can schedule updates for these Peakboard boxes in this group. If you use the Peakboard Hub on-prem, you are also able to define here up and down times for the Peakboard boxes in your group. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.